You need to learn data visualization right now if you want a job within the next 2 months. It's that crazy right now. Seriously, hear me out. I know your first question is, if this is such a big boom, why aren't big tech tubers covering this? Why isn't Network Chuck covering this? Why isn't Clement covering this? Why isn't Amigos Code covering this? Because there's no visibility into this field right now. There aren't people searching this stuff up. Because of that, there's no audience for those topics, and those channels will not get the views for those videos. But TechTube isn't about views, it's about landing your dream job and helping you understand the world around you. This is huge, guys. This field is growing 20% year on year. To give you a perspective, software as a whole, front end, back end, everything is expected to grow by 25% in the next 5 years. Cloud is expected to grow by 40% in the next 5 years. This is growing 20% year on year. By this time, 5 years from now, all the job listings you see are going to be double. The amount of quality candidates are going to be triple or even quadruple that. Now, right now, there are no quality candidates. Matter of fact, there really is no candidates. You can literally get certified, take an interview, and just show them you know what you're talking about, and you get a job. Like, you don't have to jump through 1,000 hoops. I did one interview, and I am a data specialist for one of the biggest defense contractors. So, guys, go. You just gotta jump in there and go for it, and I'm gonna show you what this stuff is right now. Wow, isn't this beautiful? Isn't this what we all strive to look at? Now, if you looked at that and went, what the hell am I looking at? You're not alone. So does everyone else. This is the data the systems take and use to function things. So this is something like a chatbot would take and try to function. This is stuff like the algorithm inside of YouTube would take and try to process your videos, stuff like that. But this data is utterly useless to the human eye, to me, to you, to everyone. And guess what? The decisions that those AIs make, guess who runs those decisions? Us. So we need the data to be visualized. We need to know what this means. Why am I looking at an Excel sheet full of columns, names, numbers, truths, false? What does any of this mean? This is what you will be doing. You will show this data in a neat, organized, and professional manner so real people can make sound decisions. And this is what that looks like. This is called Power BI. Now, it looks a lot like Excel because it's owned, you guessed it, by Microsoft. This takes that raw Excel file and transfers it into something eligible, something readable, something concrete. Now, there's many data visualization tools out there. There's Tulio, there's Click, and then the most loved one, and that's growing like a butterfly right now, it's Power BI, just because of its insane integration with Microsoft's suite of products. I recommend you learn this tool. There's a certification which I will link in the description below. But guys, this is what you will be doing. You will be taking that raw data, you will be making it eligible. Your work will lead to top tier decision. Your visualization work will lead to companies hiring more engineers and growing their company. Your decisions will save company millions and even some cases billions of dollars. I do not see a world where this will become irrelevant. Every decision you make, every decision machine makes, every decision anyone makes comes from a human, and humans need to understand data. I hate to break it down to you, Excel file doesn't really do that, but tools like these do it. If you want more info on the exam and stuff like that, comment below and I'll make a follow-up video. As always, please hit that sub, please hit that like, and go for this. This is absolutely worth it. Data visualization is the present right now. You are in the best position to go for it. Go for it right now. You can get in with little to no experience, as long as you do pretty decent, not that well. Like, you don't need to go out there and study 10,000 coding questions. Just know what you're talking about and you'll get a job like this. And with that being said, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.